All right, update on pollution coming in from the national capital, where to monitor pollution in Delhi, the Delhi government has now said that they will form a committee. This committee will be chaired by Chief Minister Rekha Gupta herself, and the committee is also said to have some senior scientists, experts, and representatives from the central government will also be members of this committee. Well, that's the big development right here. We've been asking what is the solution. Now Delhi government tells us that they will be forming a committee to come up with a solution. Let's see where this one goes. But for the moment, let me get a quick reaction on this, Jay. Committees, 12 years, have we seen them come and go, or is this too little too late?
I think we have enough monitoring infrastructure in Delhi and CR to know what the problem is. I don't think we need a monitoring committee. I think we need action. It sounds like they're just biding time to Holi so that all this uproar and the emergency passes. The 5 months are over. Then we get into kind of moderate to poor air.
Citizens feel कुछ तो कर रहे हैं.
Well, I think we've seen Kuch To Kar Rahe Hain for the past 12 years. And the problem is just getting worse every year. So I don't think we're going to be okay with Kuch To Kar Rahe Hain. We've seen enough of this, delaying tactics and, kind of pushing the ball around. We don't need a monitoring committee. I mean, I think this is too little, too late into the season.
CPCB and the CQM also monitoring committees which report to the government?
All we've seen so far is monitoring committees and demands for more data and more source apportionment studies. We have enough data, we have enough source apportionment studies, we have enough monitoring. I don't think Delhi NCR lacks in monitoring infrastructure. The rest of North India does, but not Delhi NCR. So why we need another monitoring committee that's going to be created? They're just biding time and trying to pacify the public that something is happening.